लगता है ट्रेंड है।
न्याज पहली गेंद के साथ, इनकी स्टॉक डिलीवरी है, पढ़ने के बाद अंदर की तरफ मूव हुई, अंपायर का इशारा देखना पड़ेगा। अच्छा शॉट लगाया, गेंद उड़ी गई, और फासले पर भी शानदार शॉट।
बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक। देखिए कितना शानदार बैलेंस था इस शॉट को खेलते हुए, और आर्म स्पीड बहुत ही इंप्रेसिव। और ये बड़ी बाउंड्री है जिस तरफ इन्होंने हिट लगाई है।
ऑफ साइड में खेला, हवा में खेला, गेंद दंदनाती चली गई। एक और दिलकश स्ट्रोक, जगह बनाई पीछे हटते हुए। इनकी खासी रेंज है स्पिन के सामने फाइक की। ये कितने रन बनाते हैं यहाँ पर। खूबसूरत शॉट, इस बार उठा खेला लॉन्ग ऑफ के ऊपर से, नया शानदार छक्का, बेहद मुश्किल शॉट, इसे आसान तर बनाया सलीम ने।
लेकिन देखिए बहुत ही शानदार पोजीशन थी इस शॉट को खेलते वक्त, बड़ा ही स्टेबल हेड और अच्छी आर्म स्विंग, और उसका नतीजा 6 रन
पेशावर के। ये अच्छा शॉट, बड़ा शॉट खेला, सनसनीखेज बैटिंग, गेंद सर बसर गई, और एक बार फिर बल्लेबाज हैं मोहम्मद फाइक, स्लिप को अब हटा लिया गया। उम्दा शॉट खेला बॉलर और अंपायर के सर के ऊपर से, और ये 4 नहीं 6 रन शुमार।
इस गेंद को खेल दिया बॉलर के सर के ऊपर से 6 रन के लिए। देखिए बहुत ही शानदार बैट स्विंग, बड़ी क्लीन हिटिंग देखने को मिल रही है, और यकीनन
कट शॉट खेला, और गेंद बड़ी तेजी के साथ गई, फिर से ताबा मंजिल, 4 रन का और इजाफा। से हुक करने के लिए गए, और गेंद फाइन लेग के ऊपर से निकल गई, फिर से 4 रन। बहुत शौक बैटिंग सलीम की जानिब से, 4 रन, और गेंद बहुत ज्यादा फाइन चली गई, और गेहूं के साथ अब घुन भी पिस रहा है।
And gone. That's exactly what was in store. He removes that pullover, bowls a nice yorker, and Azmat takes that catch. Didn't quite time that, trying to play it over extra cover. And the first wicket falls with Salim walks back.
Just to be sure, a little fuller delivery. Tried to play an aerial shot. Just trying to get an aerial one here. Unfortunately, we'll have to go back to pavilion with a good start.
Yeah, that's a bad ball. On the legs, fine leg up in the circle. You gotta go for runs. You have to pay for it. Again, get that feeling. He'll get a boundary, but he didn't get hold of it, I tell you that. A swing of the bat, but he didn't quite get it right in the sweet spot. Just like those wrong-footed bowlers. There you go. That'll be a boundary, but yes, it was uppish for a moment.
A little shorter delivery there by Usman.
former international. He's appealing for it, and he's got it. That's a big wicket in the context of the game. Ikhlaq again trying to force one, missing it, but Niaz Khan got this important wicket at an important time, although he's not happy.
Having a look at the front foot, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And now a straightforward delivery, hitting him on the back leg above the pads, but yes, he had a bent back leg, so going across the line continuously, missing the ball, and finally the umpire deciding that he has to go. He cannot be happy, but that doesn't mean a thing now. 15, he got a 15, and it's 96 for 3 for Lahore Whites. And this is fine, very fine, and this will be a boundary, a much needed one for Lahore, and Tayyab also, who is now moved to 31 of 21 with 4 boundaries.
भाई उम्दा हिट लगाने के हाँ, ये मामला खासा करीबी था, लेकिन गुजर गए लॉन्ग ऑफ के ऊपर से। मां ज्यादा बड़ा कद नहीं है,
निकल कर खेला है उन्होंने इस बार, अपनी बेस अच्छी रखी थी, हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन बेहतरीन, बहुत बेहतरीन कैच हो सकता था।
ये अच्छा लगा देखकर, कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया, और अब दूसरी बार इसमें कोई शक शुबा नहीं, कोई कलाम नहीं, गेंद 7 सीढ़ियां आगे गई,
सीधा स्टैंड्स में ये बॉल गई है, मिडिल में कनेक्ट किया है इस बॉल को, बेहतरीन शॉट साथ की जानिब से।
ये पुराने क्रिकेटर हैं पीआईए के कामरान, ये पुल शॉट खेल दिया और कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई साथ को, शॉर्ट गेंद की वो तवक्को कर रहे थे और पहले से ही अच्छी पोजीशन में थे। शॉट इससे चलता किया बगैर किसी मुश्किल के तैयब ताहिर ने खूबसूरत अंदाज में 4 रन के लिए अच्छा T20 शॉट।
That'll be fourth. He fired that one wide outside off, and smart cricket from Saad Naseem. Waited on that. That's the way to do it. Give yourself time deep in the crease and made that length to his liking. 50 up for Tayyib Tahir. I'll give it to Ali Yunus, the happy man here.
Yeah, he's tried this shot at international level. He's never been successful there, but this time he picked up the length. And the clarity of mind and the power behind it, all the way for 6. Oh, that's powerful. Really powerful. Down the ground for 4. I think he's now getting to his own zone, what he's made of.
Oh, scoop that. He's ramped it rather. Yeah, bowlers don't like that, especially the faster bowlers. Yeah, just a single there to end the innings. Tayyib Tahir remains not out on 66. And 181 is the score from Lahore Whites in the 20 overs. Ali Yunus is happy, tapping the table. He's happy with the score that we see. 70 in the power play and 43 in the last 5. Saad Naseem batted well to contribute in this 80-plus partnership between Tayyib Tahir and himself. And Lahore Whites winning the toss have got a good competitive total. It's now up to their bowlers to defend this against a very strong batting that Peshawar has.
But what about this inning? This is a very, very good scorecard for Lahore Whites. Couple of 20s from the openers. I think they set up the tone. And then it was finished by Tayyib Tahir and Saad Naseem, the captain. Good innings, 66 and 41. Took the total to 181, which is a very good total on the surface.
3 wickets for the bowlers. Niaz came back well for his 4 overs, 1 for 31 after being hit for quite a few in that first over. Imran Jr. got 1 and so did Ehsanullah. Time for us to take a break. 182 is the target at 9.1. Peshawar is going to go after this in the chase in a moment.
पवेलियन एंड से बॉलिंग का आगाज करेंगे। राशिद रियाज ने उन्हें इशारा दे दिया तो पहले गेंद आने को है। गेंद रुकी पड़ने के बाद इससे अपना शॉट भी चेक किया साहबजादा ने।
ये अच्छा शॉट है, फुली कंट्रोल्ड और बर्क रफ्तार पे बाउंड्री की तरफ गया है, मौका नहीं मिला किसी को।
शॉट गेंद इस बार पूरी तरह बल्ले पर नहीं आई, टो पर लगी और फिर भी फील्डर्स को पीछे छोड़े चले गई। एक मौके पर दोनों फील्डर्स के दरमियान गलतफहमी भी देखने में आई।
रिकॉर्ड है अभी तक फर्स्ट क्लास का, लाहौर के लिए खेले, उसके बाद गनी क्लास के लिए खेले। एक बार फिर लेकिन इस लेंथ पर बहुत वक्त है आज इस पिच के ऊपर और शायद ये बात कप्तान और सीनियर प्लेयर्स को अपने बॉलर्स से करनी होगी।
फिर से फुल शॉट, एक बार फिर पीछे गिरी हुई गेंद, मुंह की खाना पड़ी उबैद को। 4 और फाइन लग आगे, स्कोर लेग पीछे और लेट खेल दिया अपने बल्ले का फेस ओपन करते हुए साहबजादा फरहान ने। उनने 4 और पाए।
ये बड़ा शॉट है, खूबसूरत शॉट, मिड विकेट के ऊपर से खेला है। बॉलर की स्विंग को इस्तेमाल किया और ये अक्सर होता है क्रिकेट में कि जब किसी बैटर को चांस मिलता है तो अगली गेंद पे बाउंड्री लगती है।
Oh, that is enormous. That is shot and a half. That's gone out of the stadium. That is huge from Sahabzada Farhan.
Huge 6 outside the park. Just using the wrist and playing that beautiful shot.
Ah, beautiful. That is superb from Mas Sadakas this time. Learning from the best on the other end. And again, effortless that is. Into the crowd from Sahabzada Farhan. There is no stopping him.
That wasn't a very good delivery to bowl. Another short pitch delivery. They're not learning from the mistakes at all. Lahore Whites, they'll have to stop bowling those short pitch deliveries.
Keep on bowling those short deliveries. And again, fantastic batting. Another huge hit from Sahabzada for 6.
They're getting closer to the target for every shot. Very strong position. And the hand-eye coordination has been spectacular, on point by Sahibzada Farhan.
Up and over again, 4 more. That is brilliant. Sensational batting from Sahibzada.
Still got to go a long way. As Sahibzada's 50 coming up. Have played exceptional innings so far. Very dominating shots throughout on just 29 deliveries.
When your senior partner is playing in that manner, there is no stopping. There is no stopping Sahibzada Farhan. Flat bats it again for 6. Fantastic batting.
They've always loved it. Another short pitch delivery on the back foot. That shot, it was impossible for him to get that. Well, he is absolutely brilliant on the back foot. Just creating some room. Another boundary towards the point.
That they haven't been able to use that ball. That is a gift, an absolute gift there.
A long hop and taken to the cleaners, into the crowd, resulting in loads of runs for Peshawar. We have to give the credit to the batters. They've made use of all the loose stuff available. Lahore bowlers have been adamant with their short length. Given a gift. Another one. Flat and same result. 12 of 2 balls, 2 sixes. Sahibzada Farhan moves to 73 of 35. A strike rate of above 200.
And exactly, this is what's happening, what you're watching on your screen.
I wonder why Kamran Afzal is playing this game.
And again, similar deliveries. He can do that all night long with the kind of length on offer. This is a big over. 18 coming off it. 3 maximums into the crowd. 9 gone, 94 for no loss. Again, this time is a little lucky. He was still short in terms of length. Oh, he's gone. Lahore Whites is not getting anything right there. He's probably hurt himself in the process.
Was made into an easy chase. Well, this is poor bowling on the legs and taken advantage of. Ma Sadakat has been gifted this ball on the pads of a length in this Lahore effort. And once again sliced over point in the gap. 4 more. And Peshawar are racing to this total 111 for no loss.
Saad Naseem spoke and he said, there's more runs here. There's surely more runs. It's gone all the way. Oh, it's for boundary. My question to Saad was, when you talk about
रेडियो कमेंटेटर थे और ये विकेट रमीज जूनियर, इनको एलबीडब्ल्यू नहीं मिल सका था. इस बार अपील की जरूरत नहीं. पत्ता साफ किया मास सदाकत का उन्होंने लेग ब्रेक पे. शानदार बॉलिंग, अच्छा स्पेल.
और यहाँ पे उन्हें रिवॉर्ड मिला है अच्छी बॉलिंग का. फाइनली विकेट लेने में कामयाब रहे. थोड़ा लेजी खेला. इस शॉट को टैप करके सिंगल लेना चाह रहे थे शायद. मां सदाकत 37 रन बनाकर वापस. पहली विकेट गिरी 129.
फिर दिलचस्पी और बढ़ेगी इन तमाशाइयों की. बाहरी किनारा लगा. आउटफील्ड ज्यादा तेज नहीं लेकिन इतनी है कि इस गेंद को ले जाएगी वो सहसर तक. पहला चौका इफ्तिखार का.
As this has been smashed over short fine leg. Another boundary. Iftikhar this time. Lack of direction and Iftikhar in the mood. And there it goes. Straight down the ground. It's a 6. Ubaid Shah is missing the length. What is he thinking? And we have hardly seen any communication. Somebody come near the young fast bowler and speak to him, and nobody has initiated the communication.
There's a chance. Yes, finally. Something for Ubaid Shah. He was persistent with those cutters into the surface. And Iftikhar couldn't do much about it. A smart catch by Ikhlaq.
He's now telling who is to come. He has so many responsibilities on himself. Let's have a look at this. Ikhlaq holding on to it. Iftikhar getting 19 of 12. 152 for 2 Peshawar.
Right, Sahibzada on 96. Sahibzada, oh yes, he's got it. Third 100 at this level for Sahibzada Farhan. Backed with some brilliant power hitting.
Wonderful batting. Great scenes, great 100. And now the job is to get the team over the line. He's achieved this with a touch of his experience written all over the stroke. He moved towards the offside and the bowler followed him with a change of pace which he used to great effect. Just cutely helped it past the third for a boundary.
Smashes it. Wow. That is a shot and a half. Went like a trace of bullet. Brilliant from Amir Azmat.
Big, high and long enough. 6 runs. Talk about the short boundary and the advantage. It has been well taken by Sahibzada Farhan, and once again Ubaid Shah 2 full.
Straight. Like an arrow. 6 more for Sahibzada Farhan. And a no ball to go with it.
Well, probably the scores are level now. Just the 1 run required to win. What a great hit. Flat into the screen. And I think the no ball has ended it. They have got across the line. Sahibzada Farhan finishes it with a flurry of 6s. 1 over square leg, 1 over the bowler's head. And what great authority and command he's showed with the bat in this chase. He's played like a master chaser.
Yeah, one man stands out. Right at the top. 114. 9 6s for him of just 59 deliveries. The second fastest 100 on this ground. 37 by Ma Sadaka. 19 runs from Iftikhar Ahmed. Amir Azmat also supporting him in the end, scoring 10 runs and chasing down 181 in just 18.4 overs. with some authority.
Yeah, the bowling card has a sorry sight. Salman 3 overs 27, Ubaid Shah 3.4, an evening to forget for him 57. He gave away for just 1 wicket. Ahmed came in, bowled 3 overs for 28, another expensive bowler. Kamran 2 overs for 23. Only Ramiz, brilliant figures, 4 overs, 15 dots, 15 runs, just a wicket. And in this barrage of boundaries, he's just stood out with the ball in hand.
Our Whites decided to bat first, scored 181 after losing 3 wickets. Tayyib Tahir stood not out at the end, scoring 66 shots. Naseem also scoring 41. And in reply, Peshawar were just too good, chasing the total at 18.4 overs. And Sahibzada Farhan was the star of the inning, 104 not out. It was quite an easy win by 8 wickets for Peshawar region.